Welcome back, amigos, to my kitchen. Today we're making a wonderful, comforting soup called Sopa de Papas con Panela and Rajas. Let's get started. So here are the ingredients. You'll need chicken broth, you'll need queso panela, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and garlic, salt, pepper, a little oregano. This wonderful, comforting meal is great to enjoy with family. So we're going to go ahead and add our olive oil here. And this is an all-in-one pot meal that you make. And you're going to bring over your tomatoes, your onion, and your garlic. And you're going to saute them until they're soft. And then we're ready to move over to the blender. So really simple. As soon as your tomato, onion, and garlic have softened, you'll bring them over to the blender. And you'll blend it down. I like adding my chicken broth here. I will leave all the instructions down below on how much I've placed into this. You can add or take away. I'm going to add the seasoning right now too, and I'm going to add in my salt, pepper, and oregano. Again, you can taste it afterwards to make sure it has the correct amount, and you can adjust the flavoring on that. So in the same pot, you're going to put a little bit more oil, bring your potatoes over, put them in, and you're just going to brown them lightly, mixing, making sure they don't stick. And you're ready then, as soon as they brown a little bit, bring over your sauce, and you're going to let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. So as soon as your potatoes have browned a little bit, you can bring your sauce over. You're going to put your sauce in and allow it to simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes. Until the potatoes have softened. So what we're going to do is we take them out of the plastic bag and we're going to take the skin out. Again, you want to leave them in the bag so they can sweat out for about 15 minutes. Take as much skin as possible off. You want them charred because that's going to give it the great smoky flavor. For each of these, you're going to cut them open and then you're going to take out all the seeds and the stem, and you're ready to move forward. You're going to cut them into long slices, and then you'll just go ahead and cut them out. So we're ready for our queso panela. You can find this at your Mexican supermarket. You're just going to cut this into cubes. Queso panela doesn't really melt down very easily, so this is going to be a nice bite as you bite into it. And I like to cut them into small cubes like this, so that every bite you get a little bit of this beautiful cheese. It's wonderful. So our potatoes are ready. We're going to bring over our rajas and place our rajas inside. We're going to place some cilantro, and we're going to place our queso panela inside, and we're going to let it sit just for about 5 more minutes. We're going to give it a good mix, and we're just about ready to serve this wonderful, hearty, traditional soup, papas con panela and rajas. Ready to serve. It's nice and hot. Serve. You can optionally put some corn in. I put some corn in, and we're going to give this a taste. It's lovely and hot. So you're ready. You want to let it steep for about 5 minutes after you put the chile poblanos in, and let's give this a taste and see what this is like. Oh, wonderful traditional queso con papas y rajas. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you at our next video. Enjoy.